Good morning, dear students of class 6th. Students, today I am going to explain the question and answer of the 5th lesson Jhalkari. Students, first of all, you have to write word meaning from your book. Now, come to the second exercise. Answer the following question. Your first question is write the short description of Jhalkari. Jhalkari was an orphan. She was a bold and fearless little girl. She loved to climb trees and swim in the river and play the games that people call boys' games. She was a fast friend of Rani Lakshmi Bai and also the soldier of her army. Now come to the second question. Why Jhalkari went away to live Jhansi? Its answer is when she grew up, she was married to a soldier in the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai and went away to live with him in Jhansi. Now come to the third question. When and how British troops attacked the fort at Jhansi first time? Answer is in 1857 fighting broke out all over the country. In March 1858 the British troops attacked the fort Jhansi. Their heavy guns bombarded it. Now come to the fourth question. Who helped Britishers to make their way into the fort and why? Its answer is Dulaji, a gunner, helped Britishers to make their way into the fort. He was very greedy. In return for a large sum of money, Dulaji led them to a spot where there was a break in the wall and the soldiers made their way into the fort through it at the midnight. Now come to the fifth question. When Britishers found that they could make no progress, then what did they do? Sorry students, ये they होगा, the नहीं है, they do. Answer is when the Britishers found that they could make no progress, they decided to gain entry into the fort at night. They bribed a man named Dulaji Thakur, a gunner who was in charge of the south gate of the fort. Now come to the sixth question. In the last, what happened with Jhalkari? What did she say before hang? In order to save Rani Lakshmi Bai from the Britishers, Jhalkari disguised herself in Lakshmi Bai's clothes. Mistaking her Rani Lakshmi Bai, British soldier arrested her. But Dulaji declared that she was not Rani Lakshmi Bai. That is why the commander became furious. So she was sentenced to death by hanging. Before hanging, she said, "You will never conquer us. We will rise again and fight back until we win our freedom." Now come to the second exercise. Choose the correct alternative and fill in the blanks. Students, I have fill in the blanks. You have write down this exercise in your fair notebook. Such as when Jhalkari grew up, she was married to a soldier in the army of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Britishers had a trading company called the East India Company. In 1857, fighting broke out all over the country. In March 1858, the British troops attacked the fort at Jhansi. Dulaji Thakur was a gunner. Now come to the true and false statement. Jhalkari returned to the fort disguised as Rani Lakshmi Bai. True. The girl fights a tiger single-handed and is named Jhalkari. False. वो टाइगर से नहीं लड़ती थी, लेपर्ड से लड़ती थी. Dulaji betrays Rani Lakshmi Bai and his nation. It is also true. The British enlist the help of Jhalkari. False. Rani Lakshmi Bai along with Jhalkari fought the British. True. Now come to the word power. It is a suffix exercise. We have to add suffix just as hood, meant, ness, etc. to the following sentences. First sentence is a true friendship lasts forever. Friend में ship suffix जोड़ा गया है और ये फ्रेंडशिप बन गया. इसी तरह आपको आगे करना है. सेकंड क्या है? झलकारी रिसीव्ड स्पॉन्सर है, इसे स्पॉन्सरशिप जोड़ के वर्ड बनाएंगे. फॉर हर क्रॉस चैनल स्विम. टू मच ऑफ स्मोक काज पॉल्यूशन इन द एयर. पॉल्यूट दिया गया, आपको TION जोड़ना है. इट गिव Mother, great happiness to see her child succeed. We should show kindness to animals. I spent most of my activeness in reading comics. The wealth of a nation depends on its productivity. I have an appointment with the doctor tomorrow. Students, in this time, your fifth lesson is come to an end. Do all the exercises in neat and clean writing. Thank you, children. Goodbye.